Hi guys, it's Don again. Hey, I bought a mist fan for my barbecue shed, and it's actually really neat. I put it in my old mop bucket, and back when I was in the fire service, we had mist fans that you would put them in your 5-gallon drinking water container back in the day. Now they have all these new tech. That was like 20 years ago when when I was on the floor, but here's a picture right there, and it's in my old mop, one of my mop buckets that I use. And here's the fan, and it's portable, and it can fit from that mop bucket probably all the way up to a 5-gallon bucket. Comes with a remote, and then 2 spray nozzles. But the spray nozzles on them, you can probably clean them out if they get clogged. Unscrew them and clean them out and blow them out. And then the controls there shows you there's a battery built into this, so you can actually unplug your 110 and run it for, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours. I guess it depends on what speed. But it's got your fan, spray, how much spray you're going to come out, and time, and then your if you want to go time, and then your swivel. And actually, it's really neat. Yeah, it's just, I'm just really impressed with it. See, it'll do my whole where I kind of barbecue in the summertime around here. And let me show you some of the features. Let's see if it doesn't fall off of this. It's on full power now, and right now I got the fan going, and I can start the swivel, and it can swivel, and it also, you can tilt the head if you want. Let's see if I can tilt it. You can see you can tilt it even more, and it comes in and it adjusts to your diameter of your container that you're using. And then the mist, you just hit the mist there, and it has a different strengths of the flow of the mist coming out. Ah, gee. And it's really, I have it on number 1 right now. But it's really nice, really nice. And anyway, but if you're camping or out for the day, you don't need like a power supply. You can unplug it, and like I said, there's a built-in battery that will last probably 5 or 6, 7, 8 hours. I don't really know how long, but if you bring them maybe a portable power unit with a solar backup, you can run it forever then. But anyway, that's my view on it. And if you guys, I think it's a good deal. It's waterproof, and I bought it. It was like $85, and there is a coupon for $25 off. So I bought it for like $65. So anyway, so that's what it is. So it's called Air Cool Fan. So anyway, go and buy it. It's a great deal. You can put it in anything you want. A mock bucket up to a 5-gallon bucket container. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.